Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to another video from Electropixels. Today on our workbench, we have a 40-inch BLAUPUNKT LED TV with the complaint of sound is present, but there is no picture. After opening the TV and performing a detailed inspection, we found that the LED backlight system had failed, which is one of the most common causes of this type of issue. Normally, the best solution is to replace the faulty backlight strips with the original spare parts. However, in this case, the original LED backlight strips for this model are no longer available in the market. To restore the TV, we decided to use a compatible alternative LED backlight strip. Since this replacement strip is designed differently, the original LED connector does not match its socket. Therefore, instead of using the factory connector, we carefully solder each LED wire directly to the replacement strip, ensuring the correct polarity and secure electrical connections. After completing the wiring, we fixed the new LED strips firmly in place using high-quality double-sided adhesive tape, making sure they were perfectly aligned for uniform light distribution. Once the installation was complete, we reassembled the panel, reconnected all the internal cables and connectors, including the LVDS cable, and carefully assembled the TV back together. Now it's time for the final test. As you can see, the TV powers on successfully, the display has been fully restored, and the picture quality is back to normal. This repair demonstrates that even when original spare parts are unavailable, a compatible replacement can be an effective solution when installed correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Electropixels for more professional LED TV repair tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and practical electronics repair techniques. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video with another interesting repair project.